Hey guys, how's it going? How to manage Elite Singles notifications. So first of all, go ahead and open up the official website, right, and log in with your account. Go back to your screen, then go ahead to the settings, and then basically find the notifications or on your iPhone or the preferences section on the official website. Toggle on or off alerts for matches, messages, or general updates based on your preferences. If needed, set do not disturb times to limit notifications. Adjust email notification settings in the account settings to reduce inbox clutter, and then revisit settings occasionally to ensure they still match your preferences. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.